Hi guys, for today's video I'm gonna teach you how to put a gel X extension. Super simple lang siya guys. And the set that we're going to do today is great for the New Year vibes. Anyway, let's get into the video. This part is very important guys para ma-ensure natin na hindi maglilift and it would make our set last longer. Just push the cuticle with a cuticle pusher. Then remove the dry skin. And then we're gonna file them. After this, we're gonna put a nail dehydrator. And then a nail primer. And when choosing a false nails, dapat fit na fit siya like this. Next naman, kukunin natin ng nail glue at maglalagay tayo sa ating nails ng small amount for more adhesion. When applying nail glue, first apply a small amount on the false nail and spread it. After it, put another small amount on the tip part for more adhesion. Bring the false nails right up to your cuticle line and apply at the downward angle, 45-degree angle, followed by applying pressure to avoid bubbles and cure in the UV lamp for a few seconds. And then, pagkatapos pa na sila i-cure fully, ifa-file na natin sila, tatanggalin natin yung shine using a nail drill. And then we're done. Things we'll need para sa ating nail design for today: isang gold foil, black gel polish, glitter gold gel polish, white polish, the rhinestones, and metallic powder. I'll put the link of them down the description box below so you can check it out after this video. this is the finished product, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!